Hey, Steve with RV to Cycle. You get tired of crawling out of the cockpit of your van to find a USB outlet that's connected to your coach batteries? If you do, then you probably want to watch the rest of this video, because we fixed that problem, at least for the passenger. Stay tuned. Using a 1 1/4 inch hole saw in my drill, I began the hole on the inside of the airline table cabinet. Once the guide bit broached the other side, I stopped the drill, moved to the outside of the airline table cabinet, and began drilling again until the hole was finished. This method ensures a smooth, non-splintered finish around the hole. So this particular USB plug comes with ends already attached, and I don't need these guys, so I'm going to cut them off. Then I'm going to strip the wire just enough so that it will fit in the Wago connectors. Now I'm going to have to cut these two guys, but before I do that, I have to shut the power off. To power the new USB socket, I spliced into the floor level USB by removing 2 screws and the shelf at the bottom of the airline table cabinet. This allowed access to the cavity in which the power connects to the floor level USB socket. Okay, so wire stripped. Got one of the Wago blocks on, one of the wires, next wire in, 2 down, 1 to go, lever up, wire in, lever down. Okay, there we go. Here's the next one. Same thing. There we go. It's in nice and tight. Wire number 2. I'm gonna have to separate these guys. And I go put a little bit of duct tape right there. Keep them together. All right. Wire in. Lever down. And sure enough, see, now this is the nice thing about this. The red should go with the positive. And in Winnebago's wiring scheme, yellow is positive. So that's one of the nice things about the Wagos. If you mess up like I just did, you can undo it pretty quickly and easily. And the black is going to be to the negative. And we'll put that guy right back. Got the loom back on, and I have taped it, and I've put the fuse back in to make sure that I had power to this guy, and I do. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to fish this back through the hole here, and then we'll hook up
the other USB receptacle. Into the hole it goes. And once we have it in the hole, then we'll screw this guy on. So I'm going to use this channel that is used by the airline table in which to run the wire. So you can see I brought it up through the groove between the floor and the airline table case, and all the way through the groove up to the receptacle.
To contain the wires, I cut a strip of Luan the width of the channel for a snug fit and used a single screw at the top to ensure driving vibrations didn't dislodge the Luan. Well, that's it for now. Hope you got something useful out of this video. Appreciate you watching and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.